Inner Journeys, Part 1. Question: did the existence of the universe require a conscious decision, or was it an inevitable consequence? Answer: the existence of the universe arose from an intentional decision by the Creator. This decision can be seen as a creative act that gives meaning to all existence, with its consequences unfolding in accordance with a designated purpose. Question: is reality more like a computer program or an organic process? Answer: reality shows traits of both a program and an organic process. It is structured by specific laws that give it order, but it also undergoes dynamic changes and evolution, which are characteristic of living organisms. This complexity allows reality to be perceived as a harmonious combination of order and chaos. Question: does matter exist independently of consciousness, or is it merely its projection? Answer: matter may simply be a manifestation of consciousness in the form of a perceptual illusion, but it could also exist independently as the structural foundation of reality. Consciousness itself seems to be a real entity and therefore must be situated in matter. It is hard to imagine anything functioning without some connection to matter, as physical and mental processes couldn't exist without it. Question: if the Creator exists, what might be the purpose of creating reality? Answer: possible purposes include exploration, the development of consciousness, the creation of space for experience, and the realization of existence in various forms. However, these goals may be diverse, and fully understanding them goes beyond our current knowledge. Our minds cannot reach far enough to definitively answer such a fundamental question.